Well, guys, getting ready for the event for the day?
Yes, sir.
Hey?
Hey, yeah.
Getting your old Jules all warmed up, ready to go?
Yep. We're getting stuntless set up and just looking down the last of the day.
Absolutely wonderful, hey? I hear a rumor you're going to jump over a fat guy.
Oh, my.
Well, we want to get too much here. It might damage your bike.
I love it. F***ing rights. How long you been doing this for?
This is my 16th year.
How much?
16.
No.
Yeah. Yep, 16 years on the team, and Fuzzy, he got me on and sponsored me to join the team, and found the 45 and went to town on it, you know, and just built it up.
Are these your own bikes or
yeah,
something?
Everybody owns and maintains their own bike.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah. Nobody, it's not a club thing, it's just everybody owns their own individual bike and stuff. So you gotta go find your bike, get it spec'd out for the team, and then ride a whole year as a rookie. End of the year team meeting, you got to get a 100% voted from each member of the team to get voted in.
Oh, no kidding, eh? Well, that's pretty interesting.
Yeah, it's kind of a cool deal.
I love it.
Thanks.
Okay, guys, I'll see you out there.
See you out there.
Downy Wound.
I hear rumors that you're going to jump over a fat guy out there.
We jump fat guys all the time. You have to be more specific.
You better take a couple gallons out of that tank so you make it over top.
I've seen him clear fine before, so.
Was that right, eh?
Yeah, you're good if you wore your black shirt so the oil won't show.
Is that? It'll blend into the other spots. And
Yeah, there you go.
if you're all curious, guys, you have to wait and be patient. You'll see what's happening. Hey, I'm sure some guys are going to pray for the bike to stall halfway over.
That only happens every other time.
Is that right, eh?
I think it was last week or the week before that happened. Last week he jumped and it was running on wire. Oh, yeah, okay.
Is that right, eh?
Those guys. Thank you very much, everybody, and enjoy.
It's just getting it back.
just so you know, guys, the average motorcycler, even the average above motorcycler, would never ever start one of them motorcycles. They are so temperamental. They look easy to start, but I tell you what, you miss the first time, it floods, you're done usually for a while. So if you're looking at them guys going, ah ha ha, I tell you what, my friend, you would never get it started. They're very, very temperamental, and they're not temperamental, so there you go.
It's not going to be as
So that's just single drive. You want to go really fast.
yeah.
You don't need faster than that. Yeah, it moves. Yeah, you get any faster and you're taking off. I like the crash. Yeah. Everyone crashes on him.
Well, we see a fat guy on a scooter.